Welcome back to the channel. We are going to a car show. Not a Tesla show, but a normal classic cruise show. Today we're going to listen to an interview with a well-spoken muscle car guy. His name's Joe. The idea of taking my Tesla to a car show was suggested by members of my local Tesla group. I've always been a bit of a gearhead. I was tearing engines apart when I was 15. I always wanted a 60s muscle car, but never had the money. I was jealous of my friends that had one. I enjoyed going to the shows and seeing cars like the 64 Pontiac GTO, a Dodge Charger RS, and of course, a 68 Plymouth Roadrunner. However, when I was a kid, my first toy car was a 56 Ford Thunderbird with the opera window. That's the car I look for at every show. I never get hassled by motorheads at the show. Maybe because I don't come off with the I am better than you attitude. They find real quick that I am jealous of what they have, and I respect the effort it takes to keep the classics on the road. At every show I've been to, I've been kept busy answering relevant questions. People thank me for letting them see a Tesla up close. I live in Western New York. People here see a few Teslas driving around, but never get to see one up close. Every show has been an enjoyable experience for me. All right, please excuse the audio portion of the interview. I decided to take my camcorder to a show and record some interviews, but I made a rookie mistake. I underestimated the level of background music. I tried desperately to remove the background music in post so it would not get flagged, but the music was baked in. After trying for almost a year, I turned to the pros, Mr. Gene Blalock. The audio is not perfect now, but it's not studio quality, but it's usable. Gene Blalock's company information is in the description below. Thank you, Gene, for helping me out with the audio. All right, here's the interview with Joe.
Hi, my name is Joe. This is my first time getting a real good look at a Tesla. First time someone's taken the time to explain things to me, and I gotta say I'm very impressed. I've been a mechanic for 5 years, working on primarily gas-powered vehicles, and the innovation and technology behind these vehicles is absolutely mind-blowing. The future's literally right here in front.
All right, why don't you like it?
I don't like it strictly because I don't know how to work on them. That's my only downfall. It's just foreign to me.
What have you learned today so far about Tesla?
That the cheapest equal is 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. You said it's insane. Oh man, how quickly does it do 60 to 0? What are the
Haven't
brake
done it.
Oh, right, haven't done it. Okay, that's really sweet. It's beautiful. On top of everything else, I mean,
Enough storage space for it?
that's more than enough. Probably fit 2 dirt bikes in there.
All right, what have you learned about charging?
It's much faster than I previously thought. I mean, regular charging at 40 miles per hour, that's generally what I thought was, but I didn't know that the supercharger was an option. I didn't know that you could put an entire charge to get a full battery in sometimes 15 minutes, you said?
15 minutes is a typical time at a supercharger because you don't charge all the way to 100%.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha. That's until it's just mind-blowing. And it's very beautiful considering how new it is here. Normally I don't see this type of craftsmanship in vehicles. They really got to they did.
do you ever expect to see one at a car show with all these muscle cars?
It's my first time seeing one. I walked up and I said, "Oh, why does he have his hood popped? There's no motor in there." Oh, that's cool. You got 4 motors, 1 on each wheel?
No motor in the back.
1 motor in the back, okay. And it's rear-wheel drive, right?
That's correct.
Okay. So it's a little bit fun to drive then. All right.
All right, well, thank you for your time.
Hey, no problem.
Your name again, sir?
What's that?
What's your name?
Oh, Joe.
Joe.
Yep.
Okay, Joe.
Nice to
Thank
meet you.